Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the different types of LLCs. We'll address just a few in this video. I'm Mark Lyda from the Lyda Law Firm. Let's get started. LLCs can be used for all different types of purposes and can be set up in many different ways. The first type of distinction between different LLCs is whether your LLC is a single-member LLC or a multi-member LLC. That's pretty self-explanatory. A member is considered an owner of the LLC. So a single-member LLC simply means that there's one owner of the LLC. And a multi-member LLC means that, like a partnership, there are multiple owners. LLCs can be owned by individuals or by other LLCs. So if you have multiple LLCs owning a single LLC, that would be considered a multi-member LLC. Another distinction between different types of LLCs is member-managed versus manager-managed. This too is fairly self-explanatory, but when you're registering your LLC, you'll probably be asked to declare whether your LLC is a member-managed LLC or a manager-managed LLC. All that means is that a member-managed LLC is where the actual member of the LLC and owner of the LLC is actually running the show and managing the operations of that LLC. Whereas a manager-managed LLC is a type of situation where maybe one person owns the LLC, but they delegate the task of actually managing that LLC to another person who is a non-member. That would be a manager-managed LLC. Another big distinction you see among LLCs are holding or umbrella LLCs versus actual operating LLCs. This isn't just an LLC concept, it's a company concept in general. There are companies that exist only to hold assets like real estate or to act as an umbrella holding company for other companies, subsidiary companies. Those are considered holding companies. And then on the other hand, you have actual operating LLCs. So that's another distinction you see, holding LLCs versus operating LLCs. The reason that holding companies exist is to create additional layers of protection from liability. So these are just a few different types of LLCs. There are more, and there are different ways that you can use LLCs, but these are some of the major distinctions that you see. You have single-member LLCs versus multi-member LLCs. You have member-managed LLCs and manager-managed LLCs. You have holding company LLCs and operating LLCs. But they're all LLCs. They're all the same type of basic legal structure, and depending on your state, you register them in the same way. It's just you're choosing to do different things with each of those different types of LLCs. So that is an overview of some basic types of LLCs and the distinctions between them. We go into a little more detail all about LLCs in this playlist. Thanks for watching, and please remember to click like and subscribe to help keep legal education free for small business owners.